Hi! In today's video, I'll teach you how to set up Zendesk messaging. This simple setup ensures your support operations are seamless, efficient, and accessible across multiple platforms. Zendesk messaging helps you provide real-time, personalized support to customers across multiple channels. It allows for continuous conversations, giving customers flexibility to start a chat on your website and continue on social media platforms. After following along with this video, you will be able to configure a messaging platform that looks like this but with your own brand identity. You have two key ways to integrate Zendesk messaging. Web widget is ideal for direct chat on your website or help center. Customers can reach out instantly without navigating elsewhere. You can also connect the web widget to other messaging channels, allowing customers to continue conversations on platforms they already use. Both options ensure that customers have an easy and engaging way to connect with your support team. Let's start by logging into your Zendesk account and navigating to the admin center. From the sidebar, click Channels, then select Messaging and Social, and then Messaging. A basic web widget named Zendesk is created by default and appears in the channels list. Confirm or change the channel name. This name is private and should be something that allows your team to know its objective. Configure the following settings. Primary color. Select a color for the launcher and header. Title. Enter a title that will appear in the header. You could name it after your company or use terms like support or customer service to help your visitors understand what the channel's purpose is. Logo. Upload an optional logo for branding. Either install it now or skip this step if you plan to install later. For your website, copy the code snippet and paste it into your website, or click Email Code to Team Member to send it to yourself or another team member. For your Help Center, select Automatically Embed Web Widget in your Help Center. This option is only available if your Help Center is activated. The web widget updates in real time in the preview panel. Click Test It Now to see how it looks to your end users. If you install the widget, it's now live on your website or Help Center. Otherwise, you can install it later. Now let's look at some expert tips to enhance your Zendesk messaging setup. Set up business hours. We recommend you start with it being always on and set up customer expectations on how long it usually takes you to reply. Enabling conversation history allows Zendesk to store what you've discussed with your visitors so they can view previous conversations when they return. Find and manage your web widgets installation code for future adjustments. By setting up Zendesk messaging, you're creating a powerful way to engage with your customers and provide seamless support. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.